Hello guys, Tesla HW3 FSD 12.6 update coming in the next 2 weeks. FSD version 13.2.1 is now rolling out wide to A14 customer. And plus the holiday vehicle software update is coming within a week. Teams working on a much updated version 12.6 for A13 customer by the end of this year, and it is expected to include end-to-end on highway, earlier and more natural lane change decision, speed profile, auto set speed to be max speed, collecting audio for detecting emergency vehicle, and for HW3 owners. Tesla has been rolling out update, but many HW3 owners are still waiting for the latest enhancement. It is time for HW3 vehicle to catch up.
I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built